What's good, YouTube? This is your boy Toro. Check it out. Release day of the 700 wave runners. So, good trip. Shout out to Astroland for the dope merch. So, got the wristband here. It's lying around the corner. We in here though, so I'll keep you posted. Stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? Total Bravo checking in. So got the bag secured with my size and my baby niece's size. So I'm gonna do a review. Stay tuned. Peace. Yo, what is good, YouTube? It is your boy Toro Bravo checking in with another video. So last Saturday I was able to secure a pair of these kicks that I'm about to show you, as well as a pair in infant size. So first of all, shout out to Astrolab for the dope merch. Make sure you check them out on IG, DM them to cop a pair, to cop a shirt in your size. So without further ado, I know it's a week since I got these, so anyway, here's the side label, and it reads Yeezy Boost 700, size 9.5, personal pair. The colorway is MGSOGR, C white, C black. Retail price 300 of them smackaroos. So you wonder what Yeezys are you talking about? Well, I'm gonna show you right now. Get ready to be thrown by waves. Voila, Yeezy Boost 700 Wave Runner. Man, have I waited for these to re-release or what? Man, as y'all already know in previous videos, I do not pay resale for any shoes unless it's a decent price. So I waited for these to release. So, and wouldn't you know, they released August 17th, which is a week ago, you know, but here they are. You can see here's a little bit of blue, a little bit of green here, and lime green laces, orange accents here on the midsole, some black here. You see it's like a suede, Durabuck, or prime knit, or whatever you want to call it. And yeah, these do have the 3M and here as well, the orange accents. But man, these shoes are fire. And a lot of people have been telling me, why don't you resell these and get a decent amount of money? No, I've been waiting for these joints to release and cop them for retail, you know? Because as y'all already know, this is my only Yeezy 700 that I care about. This is the only one that I want to have in my collection. I personally don't like 350s because, first of all, I need to have an ankle support when I wear shoes. So the 350s have no ankle support whatsoever, you know? So this is the only 700 that I rock with. I do have the Tefras, but I'm gonna try to go sell them on consignment. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm glad to have these babies in the collection / rotation, you know? Now, it's not easy finding a fit for these, so see what I could do, you know? So here's the boost outsole. black also. You can see the Boost here. And the inside have a Adidas and the insole. And here's the tag. It comes with the sneakers. So here's the insole real quick. It's Adidas. Okay. So other shoe. And this. It's a red shoe. Same exact joint. And I don't see any glue stains or any factory defects on these shoes since they did re-release, so they look pretty clean to me. Check the left shoe. Yeah, no factory flaws that I know of. Okay, so I did get a pair for my baby niece Rosalie. So voila. Yeah, if I had to get a pair for me, I had to get one for my niece too. With Rosalie is a part of me, you know. Rosalie is my life, and I'm proud to be her uncle. And she deserves nothing but the best. So can't wait to see Rosalie. I can't wait to see you rocking these. So let's see. The right shoe. I already know there's Adidas here in the insole. So let me know what you guys think of these ones. Did you cop? Did you drop? Did you cop a pair for your kids? Let me know in the comment section. I know I was also looking for the black toes, women's size 11, but it is what it is, so I took an L on those. But this is my consolation prize right here. This is, in my opinion, the main event of that day, August 17th. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit the like this video, hit the subscribe button, share these videos. I also go out and record subway footage, bus footage, you name it. So check out my latest videos of the return of the N Express on 4th Avenue, which I dearly missed for a whole year, you know. Yeah, I know I love my express trains. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next videos. Deuces.